gosh. Yeah.
See how long the wait is.
What's that guy? A Wuhan guy?
I don't know. It looks like a Wuhan guy.
How they're getting in?
Look at the line. They're to wait 6 feet. Look. They're waiting 6 feet. Wow. Jesus. It's a lot of people waiting. That's a long wait. That's like an hour. See? Jesus, 6 feet. Wow. Never saw anything like that. The carriage is blocking the lane here. Let's go over by City MD. Take a look.
This one, how he drives. Jesus.
They're from Taiwan.
What's
Panera.
that?
What's that drop? The pickup? Where's the pickup for that? I got an email from them.
I don't know where the pickup is. I never pick up.
Yeah.
I cook every day. Yeah, there's one person there. In there. You mean Chengdu?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
There's a guy that looks like Jimmy going in a Bungusto.
Yeah.
Go here.
Yeah. That's smart. Never seen it like this, right?
No, usually you kill for a parking space.
Yeah.
Motherhood is gone. Had to save money on maternity dress.
Yeah, she didn't have to go out, right?
Oh.
No one ever thought, right? Five Guys, it ain't open yet.
What's all that garbage?
The wind.
Oh,
She open?
I thought they were throwing it on Chengdu.
What does it say?
I don't know. I can't read it. No, they're not open.
They're not open.
The light is up.
Huh.
Not even for takeout. We are open. Pick up and delivery open.
DoorDash guys are there.
What is this? Jersey Mike's open? Yeah, there's a guy in there.
Jersey Mike's,
Yes,
they're
sir.
open, huh? We are now open.
Oh yeah, they're open.
Curbside service, call an owner.
Hmm.
How do you get a thing from Jersey, from them? Call and then what, Five Guys?
You go online.
Yeah. And you pick up? Or they come out to you?
Order online. www.fiveguys.com.
And they come out to you. That might be something. Get a burger.
Yeah.
French fries. I'll look up when I get home.
There's Starbucks.
The guys had a mask and everything. That was okay. He looked like he had gloves and mask. Better than that other place, that Jersey Mike's.